Introducing the new SCR Series, Westgate's architectural round suspended downlight. The new MCTP5 models provide exceptional flexibility with selectable wattage on every fixture, making it easy to customize light levels for a wide range of applications. Featuring 5 selectable color temperatures, from 2700K to 5000K, the SCR Series allows you to create the perfect lighting environment for any space. Delivering up to 100 lumens per watt, the SCR Series combines energy-efficient performance with a sleek architectural appearance. Available in 16-inch, 18-inch, 24-inch, 36-inch, and 48-inch diameters. The SCR Series features a 10-foot adjustable aircraft cable suspension system, providing flexible mounting heights to accommodate a wide range of ceiling elevations and architectural applications. For added versatility, optional uplight kits and surface mounting bracket kits are available to meet a variety of installation requirements. With its minimalist profile, selectable performance, and modern architectural design, the SCR Series is the ideal lighting solution for offices, educational facilities, hospitality spaces, retail environments, and other commercial interiors. Westgate Manufacturing, America's most dependable lighting.